Hello, how are you? It is a beautiful day out today. Little chilly, that's why I've got my long sleeves on. Yes, it's getting that weather. But today we are going to continue our quilt that we are making by Fabric Hut. And so the first, well, this is block one, right? Month one, block one. And I did the first part, which is the HSTs. They are all done. They are all sized to the size they're supposed to be, squared up. So we're going to put that aside. Want to discuss with you really quick about these blades. These are the Fabric Hut blades. I did not realize, someone was telling me that my links weren't working. So yesterday I made sure that my links were working. But somehow in the midst of communication, I must have not fully understood that they had another 50% off deal for my followers only. And they're for these particular blades. So these are actually $37.50, which comes out to be $3.75 a blade. So for $37.50, you get 10 blades. They're normally $35. And this is, so my link is only a private link page for my followers only. So actually it is a great deal. I thought it was a great deal at 50. And even at 75 because it's $7.50 a blade, but no, they come out to be $3.50 a blade, $35.50, right? 35. Yes. Oh no, sorry, $37.50. $37.50. So it's $3.75 a blade. So $37.50. You get these 10 blades. Again, $37.50. So I had to say that. I had no idea until yesterday. Where are we? So right now we have made our HSTs or half square triangles. Now it's time for us to make 4 at a time flying geese. So what I have done is let's start out. Let's go for it. And I have different stages. I've actually pre-did some work so that it isn't as quite a long video as yesterday's. So you have to be careful. You have to look on your sheet for the color combination. So you have your white square, and what I did was I put a line diagonally on all my squares. That's the first step. The second step is you're going to take your white squares and the diagonal line squares. Here, you know what? Let me put a pin right here. There you go. And you see, you're going to have it look like that. It's going to overlap here. There's a line that looks continuous. That's the first thing we're going to do. When we do that, I'm going to come in here and I am going to sew a 1/4 inch on both sides. So let's go for both sides. So that's my first side. And then I'm going to come in here and do the other side. And when you do that, I'm going to just set this aside. When you do that, you would take out your pins, and the color combination working on this one is the purple and green. So now this is what it's going to look like. See, it's all sewn, both sides. See that? And this color combination, and it tells you in the pattern, is the blue and the yellow. I just kind of pin it to keep it. Again, I'm just showing you what I would do. So once you do that, you come in here and use one of your rotary blades, right? Your rotary blades here. And you know what? We're going to cut both of them. We're going to go ahead and cut both because I want to show you how nicely. Now, I have been using this all week. You've seen that. So I'm going to come in here and I'm going to take a ruler and I am going to cut on the line all the way across. Look how lovely. And I have 2 pieces. So there's one. And again, this color combination is yellow and blue, so I'm going to keep that together. And this is the purple and green. Again, I'm going to come in here. And here it is. And after you do that, you are going to press them out. So we're going to press them out. So here we have one that I pressed out. And, oh, here it is. I have it, it's right here. You press them out. So now it looks like you have a heart. And what you're going to do is you are going to take, and this is a new color combination we need to make, which is the pink and the blue. And you are going to put your square on there. Oh, here, I'll show you with this. Put your square, can you see right there? You're gonna put your square right on there. You're going to make sure it's at the edge. And you can come in here and pin, right? To make things easier. And you would do this to both. Or if you're going to chain stitch, you would do it to all, right? This one you need a little bit more organization just because you have so many different color combinations. You have 4 different color combinations. So you would pin that. And then when you would pin that, you would absolutely, I'm going to come here and sew one. Move that. And you would come in here and you would sew on both sides again, a scant 1/4 inch. Oops. And then what you would get after doing that is you would get, and here I'm going to pull these out. You would get 1/4 inch sewn this side and 1/4 inch sewn that side. Now, I didn't do this side. I thought I was going to show you this where they were both on this one, on this combo. Ooh, okay, my upper thread just unthreaded itself, so we will thread it. All right, so we're going to come in here. And we are going to so we would have that. See, I just did it for you. So you would have that. And once you do that, you would come in here again with, you can use scissors if you like. I'm going to use my rotary cutter. And I'm cutting right across really quick. See how nice these are? Definitely go get yourself a set of blades because I'm telling you, they're really great. So now you have a whole bunch that's like this. And now let's look at the other color combination, which is like a turquoise and an orange. And we are going to go ahead and we are just going to press. See how let me see here. I press this down and then I like to help it out and then press. Again, I come in here and I press. Now I want to show you something. So when you get to this point here, you actually get 4 at a time geese, right? And what you, and what you get is 2 geese that had the turquoise on the left, and 2, right, and did I do that right? No, I didn't. 2 geese with them on, let's go with the orange, is on the right. And then 2 geese where the turquoise is on the right. Now, these 2 have been trimmed to size. And let me show you how I did that with these 2. Again, using our new blade here. I'm going to come in here. Now, I found that I have many different Flying Geese trimmers. And the size that they call for, which I can't tell you what it is, because it's not my pattern, I could not find that size on my Creative Grids one. So I have a wing clipper. Let's see if you can see a wing clipper. And I don't use this often ever since I found the Creative Grids, but I do use it because this has sizes that you do not find on the other ones. So I'm going to go ahead and trim this. I'm going to come here so you could see. So I'm finding the size I need. And I am looking over here where the tip is. Oops, yep. Going with the wrong tip. Yep, here we go. I'm going where the tip is. I'm looking that I have my 1/4 inch pass and that everything is cleared, and it is. So I'm coming in here and trimming. And there's not much to trim. And I leave this exactly how it is, but I move my geese or goose. And I come in here and find my measurement I need. Make sure that everything is set. And I come in here and trim the second one. And by doing that, I end up with the perfect geese. I'm going to just take that. So then what you would do is you would trim your pile, in which I had already done here. I have a pile trimmed, and I will go ahead and make my piles. And then after I do that, right, and make them all, I'm going to put them all nice. I'm going to go ahead and actually put it in the bag. You know, this all came in a little bag, this block of the month, right, this month. So now I'm going to put them with my half square triangles and my Flying Geese. And then you're going to see me in a new video. And in that video, we're going to do the 3rd component to this one block we need to make. Well, we're not making one block, we're making numerous blocks, but it uses 3 components. So you will come back and we will do that next component. I hope this is helpful. Again, this is called the Hen House by Fabric Cut. I will drop a link below. These are the 45mm rotary blades, and they are for my followers at $37.50. I just realized that last night, so I was giving you misinformation. How wonderful. So much less than what I thought. So go check all that out and come back for the next part. And I can't wait to see this quilt get done. Of course, we have 6 months and we're still only on month 1, but everyone have a wonderful day. Take care of yourself, pass it forward. And if you like what you see, please like, subscribe, and share my channel, because all of this sponsorship that has come my way and affiliates is helping me with my dream of keeping this channel open and making it work for me and my family. So take care. Bye.